Lost your AC remote? Don't worry. You can still cool your room using simple methods that work on many air conditioners. Knowing these backup methods helps during dead batteries, lost remotes, or emergencies when your home becomes uncomfortably hot. Most split air conditioners have a hidden manual button beneath the front cover that starts basic cooling without the remote. Manual mode usually runs at a factory preset temperature, providing comfortable cooling even though precise adjustments aren't available. If your air conditioner has Wi-Fi, open the manufacturer's app to adjust temperature directly from your connected smartphone. A universal AC remote can control thousands of models after entering the correct brand code during setup. Your owner's manual explains hidden controls, smart features, and compatible accessories because every air conditioner works a little differently. Don't force buttons or open electrical panels. If manual controls fail, contact the manufacturer before attempting unnecessary repairs. Remember these three solutions: manual button, smartphone app, and universal remote. They're the safest ways to regain temperature control. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, comment with your AC model, and share this video to help others stay cool.